Greetings, residents of Verde County, Washington. We interrupt your programming with an important message for your safety. Hero Transit 777, the leader of the RHA, will be speaking from this point on.
Hello, Washington. I am sorry to announce this, but we have an outbreak of an apparent death in Verde County, located near Sapphire Shores. The following steps may sound strange, baffling, and weird, but this is for your safety. BCDTX 4609, 4606, 4608, and 4607 have been passing Verde County and seeing strange behaviors out of the engines. If you hear the following audios, seek shelter. They might sound distorted sometimes, but no matter how good it sounds, you are not safe.